Hey everyone, welcome to the Smart Analyst channel. My name is Shivam Kumar and I'm going to start the SQL tutorial. This is the first tutorial is going to be happen over here. And if you are new, please like my channel, please share these videos and subscribe. And if you are the our subscriber, thank you for being part of the Smart Analyst channel. Okay, so let's get started. In this SQL tutorial series, I have divided this tutorial into the 16 lecture 16 module and one bonus lecture. This bonus lecture is going to be live project. I will tell you basic SQL syntax and select statement, each and every clause, how it is being utilized, and basic to advanced, like how you will write the subquery, how you are utilizing the window function, and how you are creating the view. Okay, and in the later part, I'll share the industry project with you as well. Okay, if you are targeting for data analytics, business analytics, data scientist, or the more or the data visualization, so this series is for you. Okay, now I'll not tell you to install any software to run the SQL, or I'll not tell you anything about it. Okay, because if you have, then good. Otherwise, we will use the dynamic table. Like there are plenty of website where you can learn. I can tell you, like if you will like search SQL learning, there are plenty of website like Web3 schools, where see SQL Bolt and Code Academy. Other there are hundreds of website over there. Okay, but if you are with us, I'll tell you each and everything. If after that, if you want to make a practice, there are a website where uh, I'm going to utilize. So this is sorry. So this is you will search this SQL practice. This is the first website, www.sql-practice.com. Okay, so open it and I am so you will get this website, and here I am going to share each and everything. Here I am going to teach each and everything. Okay, so in this there are in this website we have two databases, hospital database and Northwind database. In hospital database we have four tables: patient, admission, doctor, province name. And in Northwind database I have these many table like category, customer, employee, shipper, supplier, territories. So these are the database. Okay, here there are number of question and which is categorized into the easy, medium, hard. And if you'll click over here, so you can see the question. Okay, so in continuation of this series, whenever we will practice any data, any question, so we'll practice over here. If you if you want to do the practice by yourself, you can visit this website and do the practice. Now after that, I'll share this module with you. Okay, and here apart from this, if anything will appear like any special lecture in between, like if there is a join, so I'll make the special table for you and I'll share with you. Okay, so we will meet in the next lecture in the module 1, and from there we will continue our lecture. Okay, so please like this video, share this video, and subscribe the Smart Analyst channel and be the part of this family. Okay, in the coming series, after I'll explain complete SQL from basic to advanced. After this, I have a plan to explain about the Excel and modeling, because modeling is a very important in the data analytics. And then I will explain the data modeling, data visualization, business analytics, stats, and each and everything which is required you to become the very excellent in the data analytics. Okay, so we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.